In this demo, we will show you how to filter views and manage permissions in Dynamics 365 using pre-created NextLabs policies. In this video, we will look at the permissions of Carol Welch, who is a U.S. sales representative, and Stacy Fisher, who is a sales manager. To start, we will log in as Carol Welch. Upon logging in, we can see Carol's view. Since she is a U.S. sales representative, her view is limited to only U.S. accounts. However, if we log in as Stacy and go to see what accounts she has visibility of, we will be able to see that Stacy has visibility across all regions as a manager. As you can see, she is able to view all the accounts because her view isn't restricted to a specific region, whereas Carol's view was filtered to only show U.S. accounts. In order to see how this is achieved, we will look at the policies created in NextLabs Control Center, which work to enforce the filtered views in Dynamics 365. Now in Control Center, we will check the Dynamics box to see only the Dynamics 365 policies. So you can see this policy only allows sales rep to view accounts from same location is currently deployed. This is the policy that is currently restricting Carol's view. Let's go ahead and turn this policy off. Now that the policy is turned off and deployed, if we go back to Carol's view, we will be able to see the effect of the deactivated policy. And as you can see here, Carol, even as a sales rep, can see all these other countries in her view. However, there is still a policy in Control Center that says sales reps can only edit accounts from their same location. And so, if we go back in here to Carol's view, we can see the account Blue Yonder Airlines from Australia, which is outside of Carol's region. But if she goes into this account, Carol can open the account and view all the information. But let's say she went in and tried to change the phone number and edit the account. If Carol tries to save that change, she will receive an error as displayed, saying you're not authorized to change the account not belonging to your location. As you can see, the NextLabs policy we looked at was enforced, preventing Carol from making any edits to accounts not from the same location she is in. But if she goes back and does the same thing for City, Power, and Light, which is a U.S. account, attempting to change the phone number and save the record, you will see that Carol is able to save and the record is committed. When she goes back to look at all the accounts, Carol can see that the phone number has been updated in the record, showing that the change made was saved. Through this, we are able to see that the policies created in NextLabs Control Center can be enforced to filter views and manage permissions in Dynamics 365. This concludes our demo. Thank you for watching.